Alright, I gave it a second chance, and I added the Velo Klunker bars to the Espin Nesta. I think they look really cool on a step-through fat tire bike. It's kind of hard to tell on video, but in person they are extremely awesome looking, and I think it really changes the look of the bike. Now, I had to lower the stem all the way. I think that was my main problem, was that I had this lifted when I was riding and I just left it like that. But putting it all the way down helped. Now the wires are still tight and they're loose, so they have to be loose if I want to fold my handlebars, which is something I do because it really reduces the space. As you can see, I can still fold them down, but I have to turn the stem all the way this way, and then when I get it to that point, I kind of just have to work it around until it's like that. So still can fold the handlebars, it's just not as easy if I was using the straight handlebars. So I had to turn the handlebars this way all the way to get it back up, which is kind of not what I wanted to do. Now, funny story, Espin did send me a new front brake to replace the stock one, but they're the exact same size. So that's not really going to help me. I measured them and they're the exact same length. So the only way that I can get this to really work is by leaving the brake cable loose, and that's not going to matter too much. It's pretty stiff anyway, so it'll stay in place. Anything to add these bars to make this thing look a lot better. I like the swooping bars on a step through. I think it looks really cool, and then these sort of look like BMX bars. I did install them on my Sport. I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not like the way they looked. It looked way better on the Nesta, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Instead of taking photos and stuff, I decided I'd just show you. It's easier to just come out here and film a quick video. And I did want to talk about my helmet. I'm going to be doing a review about this soon. This is a Lumos Ultra Smart helmet, and it has an app. It has a remote to control the blinkers. You basically have a button back here that you push, and it activates whatever setting you left it in last time. And it has flashing rear and front lights. It also has a lot of other cool features. I'm working on a video about this. If that's something you guys want to see, please leave a like so I know. I just wanted to give you a quick update of the Nesta. I think it looks really cool like this. Let me know you guys' thoughts in the comment section. And I got a couple other videos coming, so you should see something fairly soon. So subscribe if you want to see more videos. And if you haven't seen the full review of the Espin Nesta, I just released that yesterday. Go check that out, it's pretty cool.